lining I can understand pretty simply. What is pipe bursting? That sounds like you're going in and blowing it up.
So pipe bursting is a method where we take a steel cable, we put that steel cable through your existing line, right? On one end of the steel cable is a spear-looking head. It even has a little blade on it. And as that passes through the pipe, because a hydraulic pump is pulling on that cable, it splits the old pipe. On the back side of that spearhead, we've got a new pipe connected to it. So we're splitting the old pipe as we go, bursting it, creating a little bit of space, pulling a new pipe right where the old pipe was. Awesome technology.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, tell me about it. I mean, if we would have had that when I first started, it would have saved my back from all the digging I did, because it's very, very, very cool technology.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner.